And Health Minister Terrence Deyalsingh says he's pleased with the public's behavior over the long Easter weekend, but is still cautioning the population that the virus is still around. Sunil Lalla has more.
We've noticed a positive trend for the past 61 days, during which our national occupancy levels have been under 40%.
Principal Medical Officer Dr. Miriam Abdul-Richards painted the continuous positive data in the parallel healthcare system, noting there are only 146 COVID-19 patients, or 18% as of Wednesday. She says the diminishing occupancy at hospitals has been the consistent trend over the last 2 months. And following his warning last week for people to be cautious during the Easter holidays, Health Minister Terrence Deyalsingh says he's pleased with what he observed.
People seemed this Easter to be more responsible in my view. Very unscientific, just me looking on. But I did say at the start that what I saw this morning on Independence Square and so on were a lot of people still not wearing masks.
The minister added that they are moving full speed ahead with plans to introduce a hybrid model at the Arima General Hospital, which is in process of being decommissioned as a COVID-19 facility.
And hopefully when those other 8 COVID patients are discharged, and we start to readmit non-COVID patients into Arima, that will be our first sort of test case.
He says vaccination numbers are almost unmoved, stating it is even more important for people to get vaccinated now that schools and the entire economy is at full strength.
Our current vaccination rates are very, very low. We are doing about 400 vaccines per day across first dose, second dose, J&J. So the latest report for April 19th, which I believe is yesterday, that accounted for 75 doses.
Mr. Deyalsingh said the ministry is working on the logistics to receive the Pfizer vaccines for 5 to 11-year-olds, but still has no confirmed date of when it will arrive. Sunil Lalla, TTT News.
1 death and 405 new COVID-19 cases. Those are the latest figures from the Ministry of Health. The new cases were from samples taken from April 17th to 19th. There are currently 6,310 active cases, and the death toll due to the virus is now 3,807.